After providing a great haircut service, today I'm gonna be using our level 3 face mask, which we provide in pink and black. They both play a different role. And today I'm gonna be applying side to side the two masks so we can see the difference. So keep watching and let me show you how these masks work perfectly on the client's face. And when providing a service of this kind, it's very important to always stay protected. And today I want to recommend our level 3 nitro gloves. These gloves will protect you from transferring any bacteria from your hands to the client's face or any service you're providing in the client. So how I'm gonna go about applying this product is I'm gonna open up the product and just add a dime size into the tip of my finger, and I'm going to distribute that evenly on the face. And now we have the pink mask. This is gonna be a mask with pore cleansing and purifying the skin. Pretty much says it's gonna hydrate the skin. So I'm gonna apply this, I'm gonna open the bottle and drop a dime size into the tips of my fingers, and I'm going to distribute this product evenly on the client's face. Like I said before, this is gonna rehydrate and give the skin the glow that we're looking for. We are putting these two products side to side so I can show you the difference and what each mask provides. As you guys see, I finished applying the product. Next step, I'm gonna let this product sit for about 15 to 20 minutes in order for the product to do its job and also get a little dry. That will make it easier for me as a barber to peel the product off and get the amazing results that we're looking for. All right, 15 minutes went by exactly. So now we can see real close that this product has completely dried on his skin, and it's gonna be real easy to peel off. Here we have the black side, and here we have the pink side. So right now we're gonna proceed with peeling off right from the corner. As you guys can see right here, I'm gonna peel this off, creating a small little corner, and from there I'm gonna grab on. As the product being dry is gonna easily peel off. If we look very closely, all the blackheads peeling off and all the excess on the skin coming off. It's also recommended to use your second hand just to pull that skin and make sure that we take this out easily without breaking the mask. Makes it a lot easier to peel this off. Following the same step, I'm gonna find a corner, bend that, and literally pull from that corner out. As you guys can see here, this one pretty much rehydrated the skin. And again, with my other thumb, I'm gonna take that mask off carefully without hurting the client. So as we can see there, we can see his skin very, very clean over here. It's not as shiny as this side is because again, the pink mask was providing more of a glow while the black mask was actually taking off the excess and the blackheads that the client had in their face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and even this out. I'm gonna put the pink on this side, black on this side, and that's gonna be a final service for our client. With the corner of a wet towel, these little excess of mask, I'm gonna go ahead and carefully, without hurting the client, take those off. So of course, those will always stay. It's nothing special. Those will stay. Take those off carefully. All right, as you guys can see, we provided an amazing service with some amazing products. It's very important to take that extra step and always provide a great service. But like I always say, a great service can never be provided without great products. Once again, this is your boy Papiblendzz with another level 3 video with tips and tricks. Make sure if you want to acquire some of these products, visit us at L3VEL3.com. And like I said before, you could go to Local Sally and acquire some of these products. It's your boy Papiblendzz. Let's go.